Thank you. 3A. Breakfast. Alright, let's go here. Thank you. Let's go. Right turn. Dito, diam. Dito. Oh, dali. Takbo. Ano yung jacket? Parang baliktad t-shirt mo yan. Good morning. Day 2 in Beijing. Hello. Breakfast. Scroll yan. Hindi ka na. Kain na tayo. Ha? Pili tayo ng food. Let's go. Tingnan. Pipili mo na. Video natin yung food. Scroll yan. Wow. Tomato. Ano? Wow. Coffee. Uy, coffee. Good morning po. Sarap may coffee. Diyan mo, look. Fresh. Favorite mo. So, ano pa ba meron? Dito anak ko kang plato. Kung ang plato, yun. Kung anong plate sa baba. Yan. Tapos bigyan mo ng french fries. Kung gusto mo french fries. Dumpling. Ayun, yung luko ang sausage. Ayan po. Kasi per video kita. Okay, let's go.
Hindi na ako kumain.
Maganda rin ang group tour, yung mga tour kumpara sa DIY. Oo nga, kasi makaka-obliga ka. May mga advantage, may mga disadvantage pa.
What advantage ang group tour? Kasi talagang ano ka.
Pero saka kasi mapapangat sila naman talaga.
Eh kung hindi ka nag-group tour, dito ka na sa hotel.
Siyempre pa, tatamarin ka lang din pa, no?
Kasi walang itinerary eh.
That's easy to get.
Yun ang isa, may advantage, may disadvantage. Oo.
Ang ayaw lang nila Diyos, yung dadalhin kanila doon sa lugar na may commission sila bibili.
Yun, actually kasali talaga yun. Hindi, iska po tayo doon, labasan lang tayo, doon na mag-picture.
May toge yata doon pa eh. Toge.
Pa.
Alam mo kagabi pa paglabas yun ng kwarto, nagbanyo lang ako saglit tapos talaga akong ganon.
Taktak lang.
Kaya tawag ko na si Beth, malali ka na rito, massage mo ako. Wala na, hindi na rin umabot. Pag-dilat ko eh, umaga naman na. May nag-miss call na yung wake up call.
Ganun din pa amin, nag-WhatsApp.
Wala na, lakda na kagad, talagang ganon na ako.
Toge? Wala ng toge.
Ang ganda.
Wala yun, talaga.
Ito anak ko. Wala akong pakukuha ng photo. Walang pagbibilan ng home. Aba.
Gusto ko naman.
China town. China.
China or
Hi, morning.
Saan si Kaden? Ayun si Kaden, no?
Aiden!
And then,
Ayan, pag magpaglaro ko sa kanya.
Huwag masyadong makaswang.
Maliit lang rin pala yung convenience store. Para nakikita ko sa mga movie niya.
Umakyat kayo sa second floor, nandun yung ibang stock eh.
Ay, may second floor?
Hindi, pag makita mo yung hagdanan, diretso lang.
bahay. Walang bahay.
Kasama si Ansi. Kasama si Ansi.
Kami apat.
Mabait yung lalaki dun, no?
Oo.
Mabait, no? Kahit ano yung tanong mo.
Abutan ko baka na sa Saray.
Nanonood siya na yung drama.
Oo, drama.
Hindi yung kain na.
Ganto lang ako. Hindi ako nagbre-breakfast kasi
Ako din eh, kaya lang gusto ko sulitin. Pero konti lang, titikim lang ako.
Tumigim na yung dumpling.
Feeling ko tumaba ako, third.
Anong dumpling doon? Mga...
Oo, nakita ko nga, binibigyan ko ang dami.
Saan lang yan?
Mga...
Yung mushroom?
Alleviate yung ano nila dito eh.
Gusto ko pa sana kumain. Maglalakad tayo, baka matupo.
Kaya nga, oran eh.
Eh kami ni Lola,
Actually, pagkatapos ito, diretso ako rumulit.
Oo, kami pag nag-breakfast, isang oras.
Isang oras kaya ba?
Kaya lang mahabang lakad.
Ay, hindi pwede eh. Lalakad eh.
Kaya nga. Oo nga kasi I travel better without fuel.
Busy pa na kayong...
Hindi nga, ganyan ang mga Viet na pagkain daw, di ba? Wala gaano lasa.
Kaya nga.
Medyo... Walang lasa eh.
Kala ko lang.
So, kakain ka? Okay, let's go, man. Let's go. Ayan man. Okay, ayun na. Okay, let's go, man. Ay, naglo-load na sila. Ay, let's go. Oh, yeah. Go, go. Walk fast. Good morning. Day 2 with Beijing. Once upon a time in China. So, one, two. Let's go. Hello, good morning. Hi. Yes, let's go. Oh, Great Wall of China. Ayun. Mali, text mo nga sila, ano, mama.
Ayaw makita ka taas.
Okay. Off to Great Wall of China. Once upon a time in China. Let's go. Once upon a time in China. Ay, dapat pala, ano, running shoes na tayo ngayon.
Wala pa sila.
Diyan na yata sila third sa taas eh. O yun sila oh. O yun sila Marcos oh. O yun sila. Talagang di na kumain. Ayun si Achi oh.
Tinanggal ko talaga yung pa.
Ano kayo? Daan-daan na, huwag masyado. Smile. My friend si Liam. What's your friend's name? Kaden. Hello Kaden. Ang pogi oh. Ang pogi. Video kayo anak. Oh, play. Oh, smile ka dyan. Smile. Okay, huwag masyado anak. Sakto lang. Pasok na.
Sycamore tree, dream a little dreamer. I breathe seem to whisper.
Doon na sila. Let's go! Kayo na lang inaantay.
Ha? Ano naman? Sino may?
Kayo na lang inaantay. Dali. Come on, ma. Let's go, ma. Video kita. Opo. Sige lang. Take your time. You have the whole time in the world.
Direl, tignan mo yung kanilang motor.
Oo nga eh.
Merong cover.
Ayan na sila, lolo. Come on. Okay. Okay. Wala counted. Ay pa, hindi pala kayo yung last. Okay lang. Hindi kayo yung last. Meron pang tatlo. So okay lang. Liam. Kung masyadong excited. Ano masyado excited?
Can I have that? Akin na yan, yan kaputok.
So my last group, my 15 guests, and they can recognize the Chinese people, entrance and the people, and the entrance and exit. This means a Zhong. The second one, Zhong means a central center. And the second character make our country China. And this character, 3 character inside. And this one means a kingdom, a state, a country. So what's famous inside this country? Outside of the first character means a square. Square like a mouth. Square. Like you see, entrance, exit, you can with a square. And then what's famous inside this country? Second character, Chinese word yu. Remember, we say jade. In Philippines, everybody knows jade, right? Jade. Jade, we say yu. Yu. And then, so this outside the square symbolizes the territory of the country. The territory of the state or country. And then the third character after jade, yu, and the means a king. So the without the point is a king. So 3 characters together. The meaning means emperor carry a piece of jade pendant under the city wall. That's our meaning of the country. Because jade is the Asian, we are the Asian jade country. So totally together means a kingdom state. So that's what's famous inside this state. And the jade. So that's, in the ancient time, jade was only used by the emperor and the royal family in the Forbidden City. Tomorrow we are visiting. So the 2 characters together means Zhongguo, China. Remember, China means the middle of the kingdom. Our sister believe China, the middle of the kingdom. So follow Lisa, please. Zhongguo.
중국,
Yeah, Zhongguo.
중국,
Beijing.
베이징.
Beijing, our capital. Zhongguo, middle of the kingdom.
Zhongguo,
And then your
Beijing.
country, beautiful country, Philippines. Philippines, if you say Philippines, sometimes Chinese people English not good, they don't understand. You say Philippines, that's similar like your English name. Philippines, Philippines, that's your country, Philippines. So they can understand. All right, yeah. Okay. So and then Beijing, we are the city in the world. We have the 2 Olympic Games. In the year 2008, we had the 29th Summer Olympic Games. 2022, and Beijing, we had the Winter Olympic Games. 2022 during the COVID time. So the stadium is outside Beijing in the Hebei Zhangjiakou city. It's much colder there. So they have a winter stadium. But the opening ceremony for winter, Olympic stadium also in the bird nest. We are going today. So Beijing, this is the famous charming area, beautiful Shanghai Lake in Beijing, and also beautiful there. And we have the Putong. And then, so Mongolian people built up the Putong area in Beijing. And then Ming ruler Zhu Yuanzhang was fighting against the Mongolian. And Mongolian people returned back to the grassland. That's why the Ming Dynasty founder decided to make the capital city Nanjing, the first important thing rebuilt under years. So that's the Great Wall we come today. Remember, 500, 600 years already from Ming Empire. But we know after Ming Dynasty in China, Ming was ruled by the Han Chinese people. Han, 96% of our population we are Han, like Lisa Han, driver Han, and we have minority like Chinese, Korean, Muslim, and the Korean, and the Manchurian, Tibetan, and we have the small ethnic group, and they live in the remote area in the different provinces in China. So they are figure they are looking different from us. The language different. And then so some dynasty ruled by minority, some dynasty ruled by Han people. Ming dynasty ruled the last dynasty ruled by the Han nationality. So Zhu Yuanzhang and ruled 30 was married. His son had power in his hand, and then he decided to detach all his son governor and governor of China far away from his capital city Nanjing. His whole son successed after one day. But and then in order to pave the political way for his family, his son ruled stably. So Zhu Yuanzhang and the twin and want his family all control the power. But he never expected when Zhu Yuanzhang 65 years old, his elder son died earlier than him, and then Zhu Yuanzhang was very sad, and then he trained his grandson, elder grandson. So this young boy only 20 over 20 years related to her. Forbidden City we are visiting close related to her. And know her, we cannot see Summer Palace today. Cixi ruled the power 48 years in China. She supported 3 boy emperor on the throne and also put China into the disaster. The last end before she passed away, she chose the 3-year-old boy Pu Yi as the emperor, but she never know after her death Pu Yi was the last emperor of China. So because Cixi, when she was 17 years old, she was chosen to the imperial court as the concubine, lower rank for Xianfeng emperor. But in the first few years, she was no any chance to be the emperor at all. But Cixi was very clever. Never give up. In Forbidden City, you know the word of eunuch, right? Eunuch, they work in the imperial court, not the real men. They too many concubines for the emperor in the palace, but they had the eunuch and done all the hard job, dirty job, any job in the Forbidden City. And the emperor didn't want the men live in the palace, so that's why they have eunuchs. They were like slaves, work for the imperial court. And then the eunuchs get a salary, they got some extra money in the pocket. They selling some messages to concubine. A concubine give them jewelry, give them money, gold, and jadeite, and change the message. And then this eunuch, they cover the body with the curtain, and then they put a piece of silk scarf like Lisa flag, like the silk scarf, very thin, soft, put on the top of the head, and then they touch the pulse, diagnosis the concubine. And when the Chinese doctor check the pulse diagnosis, why this did not touch skin? Because they are the women for emperor. So in the ancient time, remember Forbidden City, the most dangerous job, not the official. They were the imperial Chinese doctors. The emperor could have the Chinese herbal medicine every day and check the pulse every day. If the Chinese doctor gave the wrong medicine, you couldn't survive next day, chop your head off. And then they guarantee the good quality of Chinese herbal medicine. Why the pharmacy in Beijing very famous? Because the quality of herbal medicine, they have a secret recipe. And then if anything wrong, not good effect, could be killed. So when Chinese doctor checked Cixi, they noticed Cixi told the lie, not the stomach problem. Check the pulse, diagnosis her. She had not enough qi energy, and so you have not remember it's the hardest jade, and we call the pin of jade. One piece of jade, a few $100. A small piece of jadeite costs a few $1,000, even more, $1 million, because they are so valuable. They are rare. So the emperor would give a favorite concubine a jadeite bangle as a token of love. If in the Forbidden City, no jadeite bangle, that means they never received by the emperor. That's why some this lower rank concubine, once the emperor died, buried into the tomb. So Zhu Di got 16 in the Ming tomb in Beijing. So some they have more, some they have less. One of the emperor passed away. He abolished the power one day, and then Zhu Yuanzhang decided to kill many big general officials who support the rank of your previous uncles and the previous prince. So when the news spread everywhere, when the Zhu Di in Beijing, he got the news, he was very angry. He fighting all the way from Beijing to you know, see the performance and come to me, come to emperor. And then Sisi Koto to the emperor. And then the emperor recognized her face and also recognized her, enjoyed the performance a lot. For the coming a few weeks, 1 month, 2 months, she competed the other concubine. She had more chance received by the emperor. And then the emperor arranged her high rank. But you know, in Forbidden City, if you want to hold the power, you know, become a high rank. Later, after we
We're going with the happy room.
Happy room, he said it's very happy in the Jade Factory.
In the Philippines, we have happy wall.
Oh, you have happy wall?
Wall. The wall.
What do you mean happy wall? What's that for? For happy?
We urinate at the wall. I'm just kidding.
You are kidding.
Iba yun. You have a very nice story a while back.
Thank you.
Very immersive. We will watch.
So Lisa shared the story and Snuggy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd like to share some history with
Yeah,
you.
very nice. That's one beauty of going on a bus tour.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Very nice, very immersive.
Sorry, I want to learn more story with
Yeah.
you.
We will watch the Last Emperor when we go home. And the Dragon Lady. And the Feng Song Lady. Once upon a time in China with Jet Li. Say hello. Once upon a time in China. Come on. Come on, Liam. Call your friend. Hello. Maganda rin naman talaga. Ano yan pa? Oh, Lia, Marcos. Sorry man. Wala yun mo. Third, ito yung Jadeite. Third o yung sinasabi niya na mamahalin.
Hindi ko na yun.
Sila, loko-loko ka. Ito yung pinakamahal niya na jade. Yun yung kaninang kinakwento ni Lisa. Third, guitar pick oh. Ayun o, guitar pick. Hindi, joke lang.
Template para sa ano to, paggawaan ng knife.
Galing ito oh. Tindi no. Narinig mo siya sabi niya na kina-curve daw mula sa loob. Lodi yun. Tingnan ko nga ng... Oo. Hindi ka nababasag to. Oh. Sabi third, ang laki third oh. Pambirang jade yung third oh. Ang laki no? Naka 385,000. May presyo na ko.
You know, in these two bangles, I would say one's real, one's fake. One real, one fake. That's I'm going to show you. Can you take a guess first? Which one think is real?
Halika anak, sama tayo kay Lolo. Let's go with Lolo. Tindi pa oh.
Like the purple color,
on the table.
Ah, nilalagyan pa ng ganyan.
Ano daw?
Oh. Hindi naman.
Just a little bit lighter color. Yeah, this one pretty.
Oh, the color has changed. That is more valuable now. The price has just changed.
Now the price is
Kuha lang kayo, pili lang. How much is this one?
this $380. After discount, around $300.
What? This is for health also.
Right, yeah. You know, that's not only for decoration. You wear for a long time. Here, do massage every day. How can see here? Wear it every day. Here, how many acupuncture improve the circulation? It's good for health. Just we mentioned that can keep the evils from you, keep the dangerous from you.
Very nice. This is
Also, this with tissue together.
$560.
No, 560.
Oo.
This is Polar
Dr. Dorello ayaw ni Josh.
Sapphire.
Pinipilit ka na mabigay.
Sapphire na
ano
nagmula
naman?
sa mountains of
What's that?
Indiana.
Oh, really?
Now, this snake head was originated from Muslim candidates from the 1938. Ngayon,
Dati yung nagtatrabaho si Third dito, kaya alam niya yan.
These green eyes represent the value and wealth presenting in the snake. Ito ang ibig sabihin ng green na mata niya is greed. Just a remembrance lang na
Yun yung ano, yung size na ano.
37. It's
Ang
only
mahal, oh.
317. It's not a peso.
This is what I'm talking about. The
That's a jade. This is jadeite.
that's the jadeite of this. That's the equivalent of the common jade. Oo. The equivalent of the common jade.
Later, no.
Oh. No return, no exchange. You buy that. Sold.
Yes, you can pass to your children.
You can pass to me. I'm your children. You see? Pa? You can pass to your children. I'm your children. Pass it to me now.
So that's the Chinese word of happiness.
Okay.
Bagay. You look happy. You can pass that to your children. You pass it to me later.
you can pass it to your grandchildren.
Can find me.
Oh, why? No return, no exchange.
You can give it to the son of the eldest son.
Son of the eldest son. Yes. Thank you.
You get one. You first wear it.
Smile, ready? 1, 2, smile. Wow. Nasa China ka, wala ka sa Korea. Ba't mukha kang Koreana?
Yung mga kabayo, puro walo.
Puro even.
Oh, even. Ito, bakit 9?
Dragon yan pa.
9 dragon ng ulo na nakita ko yan. Bakit hindi walo? 9 talaga. 9 talaga.
Selan.
Detailed kermis yun.
Liam, look. You just put your hands on your pocket. Po, 76,000 USD oh. Yan ito.
Ang yaman pala ng bansa talaga dito.
Government ito. Ano ba no? Po, $76,000 to.
So excuse me, over there we have some less expensive one. This
Saan yung toy mo, Todd? Lalagay mo saan yan, ha? Saan yung pili mo? At saan pili mo? Mamili na kayo para meron tayong remember. Ay, remember daw. May halong alak yan, ma.
have the most of the bottom cheap price.
Okay. The train station. Koreano. 안녕하세요.
How many people wait on the bus? Your family people, you're all here?
My family is complete.
Okay, complete.
Yeah. Hello.
Very famous figure of Beijing from Central Exit Street, Earth Dragon Line Beijing, from the Tiananmen Gate, Forbidden City, Trump Tower Building to the Olympic Stadium. This is the Earth Dragon Line under the first symbol. Over there you can see the big building. That's the Olympic Men's Stadium for the first night. That's for the Olympic opening and closing ceremony in the year 2008. The track on the field. That's the water street of Sweden. Water
Parang music video. Kasi na sobrang slow mo nila. Ay! Ay, gila! Ay, gusto ka na rin yan.
Peace.
Up! Yung mga... Tara, tara! Music video to do. Ganda Tordo. U-turn na, U-turn na. U-turn na, Pat. U-turn na. Oh, bago pa lang, 520. Siap. Ano mo siya bibili?
消费观众，红色绿色票右转向东行，蓝色票直行向北，黄色票由右前方进入。观看张杰演唱会的。票向北，票由右前方，绿色票右转向东行。观看张杰演唱会的观众，蓝色票、黄色票右转向东行。观看张杰。
Ha? Music video. Sabi mo kung may mababangga ka man. Anong bibili doon ni Liam? Wow, tigoy. Ano ba yung bibili niya?
Candy.
Uy, hopya. Hopya ba yun?
Osim, Srati, this is wood, quality. Lima ni Prisa, lima.
This is Beijing. Beijing. Si Mama pala to. Wala ba? Picture sila nila Papa. Okay. Sige. Video ko kayo. Ayan. Go. Okay. Pa. Yay!
Doon daw kayo na. Doon tayo, apat-apat na dito.
Okay.
Dito na lang.
Bawal mga parents dito. Bawal mga parents. Kids only. Dikit-dikit na lang daw para ano.
Ayan na lang daw niya. Ayan, nag-aakit. Teka lang, inaayos lang ko na. Nag-aakit.
Nag-aaway yung mga nag-uusap. Hotpot daw to, hotpot. Beer.
Dapat isuri ko na pala ano.
If you like a beer, this meal you can have a beer. Beer, soft drink. Beer free. Everything free buffet.
Yes. All of the drinks, yeah.
Free daw, bet.
Chi! Kain na Liam. Tapos mag-ice cream na tayo. Oo. Yeah. Yes. Pero si Anya mag-control tsaka si Dinya, hindi ikaw ah. Tulungan mo yan. Turuan nyo na lang, Kus. Sedi, pwede mag-take out.
Pwede?
Beer. Ang dami ko nang kinuha. Yes. Ang dami na.
Hindi nga. Sigurado ka?
Sinabi niya everything for free. Come on, Chi. Come on, Chi. Wow, ang ganda. May naligaw na Koreana sa China. Lodi, ano yan, Chi? Ano? What's the taste, man? Good, good. Good, good. Kumain ka ah. Huwag maglaro. Ay, nagluluto si Liam oh. Noodles? Noodles pala yan.
Oo, flatten.
Oh, overcook na. Sobra na yan. Yan pa. Wow. Oh, very hot, very hot. Sabi siya eh. Bira, kasama mo doon. Kasama pala to, Kus. Kasama, Kus. Kasama pala to, Turn. Kasama pala yung karne doon, mahal.
Ha?
Kasama pala yung karne doon. Yun na yung parang ano, Monterey doon. Ano karne yan, third?
Tenderloin.
Tendon.
Ma, buka ng ano yung sausage. Sausage. Kahit 2 piraso lang para sa atin ah. Huwag madami ma, baka hindi maubos. Okay ba, Kos?
Magbibira ka ba? Titikman mo.
So, sobra-sobra na yung carbs ko, Third.
Ayoko na.
Hindi, sobra-sobra na.
Baka tingnan ko siya. Natikman ko na yung isa dun eh. Yung kanina na sa atin.
Nice cheese.
Meron kang noodles to? May noodles to?
Hold pa.
Kain. Stomach problem.
Abot mo?
Sarap.
Grabe naman, parang Rolls Royce, no? Ito, oh.
Zeekr. Yun ang Zeekr.
Ah,
Ay, nasa likod. Oh.
parang ano, no? Rolls Royce yung harap. Ay pa. Ay, maglakad kayo kung gusto nyo. Pero long walk daw. Tumatawa sila sa ano doon. Tumatawa sa gear. Sa gear. Tumatawa. Hindi na sila naglinis, mahal. Ay, naglinis pa rin. Nag-grocery.